What's going on? This is your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. Listen, we got an exciting episode. We're going to do a max beard hydration DIY. This is going to help with the frizz. This is going to help with breakage. This is going to help with dryness, itchiness. In this concoction, we have the bentonite clay, which is great for detoxing not only your hair, your beard, but also the skin and scalp underneath. Now, I've talked about the benefits in the past of bentonite clay and detoxing, but if you have missed it, detoxing is going to help with removing heavy metals, toxins, chemicals, and impurities that typically impedes your hair care and beard care products from working effectively. And that affects the conditioning of it, the softness, and the shine. The second ingredient that we have is Jamaican black castor oil, or you can just use castor oil. Either or would work perfectly fine. Nonetheless, Jamaican black castor oil is great for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Not only that, it will help to support your beard and hair thickness and growth. The third ingredient that we have is grape seed oil. Grape seed oil has phenomenal minerals and nutrients. In particular, vitamin E. Really great for a strong and healthy beard and hair. And the fourth ingredient that we have is coconut oil. Coconut oil is phenomenal. It is an oil that penetrates your hair and beard strands, helping it to maintain its strength and reduces protein loss. The fifth ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is phenomenal as well, fellas and ladies. It's going to help restore your pH balance. So it will improve the shininess and the moisture retention for not only your beard, but your hair. And on top of that, if you're dealing with any beard rough or dandruff, it will wipe that clear. The sixth ingredient is water, the ultimate moisturizer. Oh yeah, one more thing I can't forget. A couple things. You can get your plastic bowl, glass bowl, whatever you want to do. But make sure you use a wooden or plastic spoon. Do not use a metal spoon when you're dealing with the bentonite clay, because it would throw off the bentonite clay and its ability to work effectively. So make sure you use a wooden or plastic spoon, okay, to stir it and even put it in there. All right, and then also can't forget, make sure you get you a spray bottle. So when as you're applying it in some areas where it may start to get dry, you want to just keep it wet. All right, so you want to spray it, keep it wet. All right, so those are just a couple things. Just some house rules. You can get you a shower cap. Get you a shower cap as well. So just a couple house rules. So let's get right back into it, all right? Now that we know the benefits from each ingredient, let's get into the recipe. But before that, make sure you guys wash your hair and wash your beard before you do this method.
All right, fellas, if you're doing your hair and beard, you want to do 1/2 of a cup of bentonite clay. If you're doing just your beard, you just want to do 1/4 of a cup. All right, if you're doing your hair and beard, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil or castor oil. If you're just doing your beard, you need 3 teaspoons. For your grapeseed oil, if you're doing your hair and beard, you're going to need 1 tablespoon. If you're just doing your beard, you will just only need 3 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. For your coconut oil, if you're doing your hair and beard, you're going to need 1 tablespoon. If you're just doing your beard, you're going to need 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. All right, for your hair and beard, you're going to need 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, unfiltered with the mother. Just for your beard alone, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And for your water, you're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of water. And you just mix it all together with either a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon until it turns into a clay. And then you just begin to apply it section by section. Make sure you're getting underneath the beard, and make sure that you are keeping it moist throughout this entire process. Is super important that you get in each part of your beard and hair.
Japan.
Ryan Little.
All right, fellas, you want to keep this on for the next 20 to 30 minutes. All right, get you some popcorn. Well, you can't eat popcorn, but you can chill. Grab you a quick Netflix, 20 to 30 minutes. Watch a movie. Then after that, get in the shower with some lukewarm water. Rinse all this clay and out of your beard and out of your hair. Then once you do that, use a hair leave-in and or rinse conditioner, and then also use a beard leave-in and or beard rinse conditioner for your beard right after. All right, so fella, oh my gosh, almost choked. I'm about to go, fellas, because I'm about to die. All right, I'll see you guys on the other side. Now you guys probably wondering like, okay, B, now after I do this method, what is the next step? You just go into the beard routine. You know, so for example, I did it at night, so I went into my night routine. I have a link up here somewhere where they'll show you a quick routine that you can apply right after this method. All right, well, I hope that you guys and ladies enjoyed this. I hope that it's helpful. And I also hope that if you find it valuable, that you share it with someone else that can benefit from this. So leave your comments at the bottom. The bentonite clay would be a link at the bottom. The oil, some of the oil links will be at the bottom, as well as the instructions and ingredients. This your boy B with the beard. Please subscribe. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. As always, you already know. I'm out.